Bar owner suffers vicious machete attack in Hanover. Hi again and welcome. This is Link 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Link 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Link 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Link 007 TV News Report. 26-year-old Roshan Lewis of Cobbs District, Hanover, has been charged with wounding with intent arising from an incident in Cobbs District on Friday, May the 6th. Reports from the Rambo police are that around 6 a.m., Lewis was at a bar and he and the owner of the bar got into a dispute. During the dispute, Lewis reportedly left and returned with a machete, which he used to chop the bar owner several times. The police were summoned and the injured man taken to hospital where he was admitted for treatment. On Friday, May the 13th, Lewis was arrested and charged. His court date is to be finalized. This has been Link 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.
Links TV. Entertainment with a difference. Subscribe now to Links TV.